Morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing? We're back here in Montebello. So we did the upstairs of this home about, I would say, back in March of this year. They sanded, they stained, they went with the cherry. We did the steps. We did all of upstairs, replaced a lot of wood, old house. They removed the closet, stuff like that. So now we're going to start doing the downstairs. But before we sand and do everything downstairs, we got to install some wood. So let me turn this around, show you guys what we got going on. Okay, so we came yesterday. Fortunately, they still had their contractor here working. They was doing some installs of some doors. So we didn't get anything done yesterday. But here, we got the level of plywood here. As you can see, that's still existing. It's the material sitting here. It's been here for about 3 weeks acclimating. But we're going to install all of this up into this area. And then we are going to cut all of this down. But we're going to take everything here all the way to the walls. Wall-to-wall install. Here's a reducer. So we're going to start the install basically from this point all the way back. There's a heater hose here, heater hole that we're going to repair. Lace in that. So that's that for now. But let me just take you guys through real quick. So once that's all installed, we're going to sand and basically sand down everything here. This is all wood. This is all wood. This wood all the way through here. All right, so as you can see, got our work, plenty of work to do. So I'll do a video update in a little bit, and we could go from there. Everybody have a good day.